to Philadelphia. It's not quite 2:30 yet. It'll take us a few minutes to taxi to the gate. The captain has asked that you remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until we are completely parked, and he turns off the fasten seatbelt sign indicating that it is safe to stand and move about the cabin. I'd like to remind everyone to check around your seats, the overhead compartment. For all your carrying items, use caution when removing items from the overhead compartment. They have a tendency to shift during flight. Only connecting reservations on US Airways or US Airways Express flights out of Philadelphia today. Check television monitors inside the terminal building for updated gate and flight information. This is the termination of our flight. So on behalf of US Airways and this flight crew, we thank you for flying with us today. It's been our pleasure serving you. We hope the continuation of your day and night are both safe and pleasant. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, just a reminder, you should not be out of your seat right now. The aircraft is still moving. Please return to your seat.